Today I'm going to show you how to provide a first order discount in WooCommerce. This is a great way to attract new customers and encourage them to complete their first purchase on your store. Let's get started. First, open a browser and head to wordpress.com. Make sure you're logged into your account if you haven't already. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can access all your site management tools. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Marketing. An expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Coupons. This section is where you'll manage all your WooCommerce discount codes and promotional offers. You'll now be on the WooCommerce coupons page where you can see a list of all the coupons you currently have activated. To create your first order discount, look towards the top part of your screen and click on Add New Coupon. This will open up the coupon creation interface where you can customize your discount. Start by entering a coupon code in the provided field. You can create something memorable like First Order or Welcome 10, or if you prefer, you can click on the Generate Coupon Code button. This will automatically create a random 8-character code for you. Either option works perfectly fine depending on how you want your customers to access the discount. Next, move to the description field. Here you can add details about the first order discount you're providing. This description is mainly for your own reference, so be clear about what the coupon is for, something like first-time customer discount or new customer welcome offer. Now comes the important part, configuring the actual discount. Under the coupon data section, you'll see a drop-down menu for discount type. You have 3 options to choose from: fixed cart discount, percentage discount, and fixed product discount. Select the one that best suits your promotional strategy. For example, a percentage discount like 10% off is great for encouraging larger purchases, while a fixed cart discount like $5 off works well for setting clear savings expectations. After selecting your discount type, enter the coupon amount you wish to grant for your customer's first order. This is where you specify the actual value, whether it's the percentage number or the dollar amount, depending on the type you chose. Then set a coupon expiry date if you want this promotion to run for a limited time. If you want it to be ongoing, you can leave this field blank. Once everything is set and configured to your liking, click on Publish. Your first order discount coupon is now live and ready to be used by new customers. And there you have it. You've successfully created a first order discount in WooCommerce that will help attract new customers to your store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.